Okay, hi guys. Alright, so it's another vlog day today because I'm off today, and I felt like I just want to talk to and practice on the camera because you see the way I'm talking right now is like kind of awkward because I haven't been vlogging in a while now. But anyways, okay, the reason why I'm vlogging today because I'll talk about uh taking pictures of yourself, right? So right now I have this idea of okay, let's just say you have this idea of shooting yourself, but you have no one around to help you shoot yourself. That's okay because uh, every camera has an interval timing shooting arrangement type of thing. So you can always try to just click that interval, set up that interval timing and shoot yourself. Basically, this is the setup right now. Setup I made, the lighting, the top lighting, because okay, I'll show you guys later, but technically I'm gonna shoot myself right now, and yeah, let's see how it goes. Okay guys, so if you already reached this part of the video, I just finished. Actually, it's been 2 hours since the shoot, and I just quickly finished up the edit of the today's photo, which I'm going to be posting later at 6 p.m. Anyways, the photo came out better than I thought. Like the edit, okay, I won't. I think I better show you guys more, uh, than me blabbering on as usual. So anyway, this is the end photo. Woo! The snap got it down. I'm so proud of it. It's just me thinking of an idea, like literally, like I was like thinking of coming up with a photo idea, and I'm just like, let's just make it literal and like put a bob on top of me and like just have fun with it and create. Okay, the idea. Okay, this photo is absolutely inspired by another creator who I look up to. His name is Caleb. If you never check out his account, what the freak? How do you know me and don't know his account? He's an amazing creator. He's an amazing photographer, and I got inspired by him to create this shot. So let's hop right into how I edit this shot. Alright, so this is right now we are on Photoshop right now. So let me just go one by one on how I created this shot. Just close everything. Alright. So I started out with a basic frequency separation of my skin tone because I totally forgot to shave before this photo was taken. And yeah, as you can see, I just shaved because after I edit this photo, I just like, I want to look clean and I'm going out later, so I just shave. So I just work on touching up my skin tone. So I started with frequency separation. You can see. Yeah, skin tone and texture. That's one. Then after that, I created a little curve for myself, S curve, the basic curves. So that's that. Okay, afterwards is where the light bulb came in. Alright, so the whole thing, okay, let me just show you guys what the whole setup. Okay, let me just show you guys the before picture, alright? Quick one. So the before picture basically is the me. That I have a fluorescent lighting lamp, so that was perfect for the shining the top part of my of this photo because I wanted to show that I'm coming up with an idea. So when I think of it in a cartoonish way, it's of course it's always the basic light bulb on top of the head to indicate that I'm thinking of an idea. So that's that. So I got rid of the yellow fluorescent lighting. So as you can see, and I replace it with a bulb. That's how I did. Alright. So next is the projectors. Alright. So what I did was I created this projection on top of my phone. Totally was made together and created together with the inspiration of not together with the inspiration, just inspired by Caleb to create this projection type of thing, which I've already done in my some of my earlier posts with the Iron Man thing. I created a video tutorial on that also about the Iron Man projection. It's just this one is more creative, and I just screenshot pictures of my Instagram page and just place it on top. So yeah, so to just represent me in general of me being a creator. So that's that. And that's it. That's all. Okay, so basically if you want, so this is just a behind the scenes of how I edit this photo today. And if you usually, okay, so what else did I do? Oh yeah, just try that. I think that's it. Then I brought this picture over to Lightroom. That's not much. I just brought more vignetting, increase up the blues of the tone curve just to create that cool feeling. Yeah. Okay. So that's the video for today. Hope you guys liked today's video on, I would say, the behind the scenes of how I shot this photo and how I created and thought of this photo. I don't know what to call this series. I'll call it like my behind I don't know. I don't know what to call it. Edit with tune. Like I would say like edit with tune. That's what I can call this video. Okay. End series. Okay. So that's it. That's how I created this photo, and I hope you guys enjoy watching the behind the scenes of how I created this photo. And yeah, see you guys in later future videos, and I'll make a better tutorial on this. Basically this video is totally just about me running through my thought process and how I came up with the idea of making such a photo. Alright, so in the future videos I will teach you guys step by step on how I created this photo, but today is just the behind the scenes video. Alright, hope you guys enjoy this video. Click that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!